Hey everybody, do you know that hiring an uninsured and a non-licensed contractor can be bad? I'm Dallas with First American Roofing and Siding, and today I'm going to talk about why you want your contractor to be licensed and why you want them to be insured. First of all, let's talk a little bit about licensing. State of Wisconsin, state of Minnesota requires contractors to be licensed. Why you want them to be is because you want to make sure that they're following the codes in your state, in your local area. To become licensed, first of all, there's testing that you have to do, training you have to do, and to maintain those licenses, you have to go through continuing education. So if anything changes throughout the years where we learn new practices, you can be rest assured that your contractor that's licensed is learning those improved techniques. The other thing you want to make sure that they are is insured. Very important. You have anybody working on your property. The first one, there's two different types of insurance you want to look for. Workman's comp insurance and there's general liability. Workman's comp protects the people that are there working on your house. Say somebody was to fall off a ladder or drop something on their foot and have an injury. If a contractor is not insured for workman's compensation insurance, then it could come after your homeowner's insurance. There can be lawsuits, and you really want to make sure that the contractor you're working for is protecting their employees with work comp insurance. The other type of insurance is general liability. This protects your home in the event of any type of disaster during construction. So say the roof was open and it downpoured unexpectedly and all of your insulation got wet, the ceiling's falling down. Bad news, if your contractor doesn't have general liability, guess what? They're gonna be looking to go after your homeowner's insurance or possibly out of pocket, or maybe then you're dealing with things with the contractor, it could be drawn out. General liability protects that contractor in those instances. Same thing like if you're moving a hot tub in behind your house and a crane is reaching over the house. I actually saw a picture of this. The crane tipped onto the roof, crashed into the house. That's what general liability insurance is for. So again, you really want to make sure that your contractor is insured, general liability and work comp, and licensed. Here's a red flag. If they can't produce a copy of their license, or more importantly, if the contractor asks you to pull the permit, that's a red flag. I have to show my permit to the city of La Crosse, the city of Onalaska to pull a roofing permit. And I hear sometimes homeowners like, well, the contractor just said for me to pull the permit. That's a red flag that they don't have a license to be able to pull that permit. So if you're looking for somebody in this area, La Crosse, Holmen, Winona, First American Roofing and Siding, we're fully licensed and insured both in Wisconsin and Minnesota. We'd love to help you out.